Welcome back to the Bay Grab Bar podcast. Today, we are so fortunate to have one of my favorite physical therapists with us, Marcy Silverberg. We install grab bars, obviously, like the name of the company, but we also do railings, standard poles, toilet seats, things like that. What am I missing? What other sorts of things do you kind of recommend, depending on the client, the patient, from a contractor standpoint?
Do you do wheelchair ramps?
I do temporary wheelchair ramps, yes.
Okay, so let's see, wheelchair ramps, and then all the equipment in the bathroom, and grab bars in the hallways. Do you help at all with, this is a different thing, but if they need a device, like in case they fall, the device that they wear and press, if someone
we're just starting to carry that, actually. It's a new product for us.
That usually is the other thing that comes up, I would say.